In this video, we're going to focus on the challenging Maths Paper 1 Question 1 problems of past papers. Please subscribe and write your comments down below. So now we're going to solve for x for this problem. So the first thing you're going to do is, you know very well that this whole problem is over 1 and this problem is over 1. So we want to write it in a proper manner. So the best thing to do is to write it in this format, whereby we're just going to multiply by 1 over the root of 32 plus x. The same on the right hand side, 1 over the root of 32 plus x. So now we'll remain with the root of 32 minus x is equals to x over the root of 32 plus x. So now that we have something like this, we can square both sides. So which means we want to square here and we square here to remove the square roots, and then we'll remain with the root of 32 minus x is equals to x squared over the root of 32 plus x. So we know it's over 1. You're going to cross multiply, and we have the root of 32 minus x multiplied by the root of 32 plus x is equals to x squared. So notice that this is a perfect square. So meaning that if you're going to multiply the root of 32 with the root of 32, we have 32, and then you multiply the root of 32 with x, we have plus x to the root of 32. Do the same here, minus x to the root of 32, and then minus x multiplied by x, it's minus x squared, which is equals to x squared. And then you notice that these two will subtract, and then you have 32 minus x squared is equals to x squared. Then you transpose the minus x squared, we have 32 is equals to x squared plus x squared, which 32 is equals to 2x squared. Divide by 2 both sides. We have x squared is equals to 16, and then you put your square root both sides. X is equals to plus or minus 4. So this is your answer. So you're going to substitute this answer to your original equation and see if it is correct. Consider the product of 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 times all up to 30. Determine the largest value of k such that 3 to the power of k is a factor of the product. So now what we're going to do is we're going to first find the multiples of 3, because 3 to the power of k is a factor. So the multiples of 3 is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. So we are going to we've just identified the multiples of 3 up to 30, because that's where the product ends. So now we're going to break down the multiples, because we want to identify the factors that make the product. So if you break down this 3, it's going to just be 3 multiplied by 1, so it's to the power of 1 here, and then 3 multiplied by 2, giving you 6. 3 to the power of 2 will give you 9, 3 times 4 give you 12. 3 times 5 give you 15. 3 to the power of 2 times 2 give you 18. 3 times 7 give you 21. And 3 times 8 give you 24. 3 to the power of 3 give you 27. And 3 times 10 give you 30. So now, what are the factors? The factors, it's 3, 3, 3, 3. All the 3 values here are the factors of the entire product. So what you're going to do is you're going to add the powers of these factors. So you have 3 to the power of 1, you have 3 to the power of 1, you have 3 to the power of 2, you have 3 to the power of 1, 3 to the power of 1, 3 to the power of 2, 3 to the power of 1, 3 to the power of 1, 3 to the power of 3, and 3 to the power of 1. So I'm taking all these 3's here, all of them here. I took them and wrote them because they are the factors of the product. So all of them are here. So now we're going to add all the powers. So if you check, it's going to be 1 plus 1, which will give you 2, plus 2 give you 4, plus 1 give you 5, plus 1 give you 6, plus 2 give you 8, plus 1 give you 9, plus 1 give you 10, plus 3 give you 13, plus 1 give you 14. So when you add all the powers, you're getting 14. So we know very well that the factor is 3 to the power of k, so it's going to be 3 to the power of k is equal to 3 to the power of 14. So therefore your largest value of k is going to be 14, because the bases are the same. We're just going to drop the exponents. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe and write your comments down below.